In this video, we are going to see how to enter the correct formula name in Excel. Say, if I want to enter the formula for sum, what is done is, say I type equal to, then I type SU. Now I move the cursor down to the sum, and many a times we press the enter button. But as you can see, this leads to an error which is given the name #name error, which basically means that the formula name which is entered is wrong. Now, to avoid this mistake, there are two ways to enter the formula. First is equal to SU, then we move the cursor to the formula which is there, and using the mouse double click and we'll get sum, then select the data and then press enter. The disadvantage of this method is that first I am entering the formula by using keyboard, then I am moving my hands to the mouse, double clicking, and if required I am again moving to the keyboard. So there is a change from keyboard to the mouse and so on and so forth. So to avoid this, the second method which we can do is press again. Now at the same place we are going to put the formula of sum. So equal to SU, move the down arrow and then press tab. So the moment we press tab, the formula is selected, then we select the data, enter. So this is the method by which we can enter the formula without making a mistake, and also we don't need to move from the keyboard to the mouse and back to keyboard. Let us see that again. Equal to, here we are going to input count, so it will basically going to count the number of items which are there. So you can see I typed COU, so count is coming. I press tab, then select, enter. So 3 items are there, that is what you can see. Like if we use a date function equal to today, say TO, that is there, press tab, close the bracket, enter. So today's date, that is 21 March 24 comes in the as an answer. So I hope you understood the method of entering the correct formula name using the tab button. Thank you.